Love is by Samuel Widmer. Love is, therefore, it is here and now. Love is listening into the heart of things. Love sees, love is aware, love is stillness and movement in the oneness of here and now and you. Love is free and therefore lets free. Love travels lonely paths.
And with ayahuasca, it's more like it takes you to another realm. Santa Aloysius is you go into what is here now, and with the other you go in another realm. Somehow like that.
On the dream level.
That's why we are. For us, it's always very difficult to when there is a lot of action in the rituals,
sit on the chairs
we are going away.
Dance, and because if I take ayahuasca, I go away. The body lying on the floor, and I go through the universe and other realms, and then it's very difficult to sit on the chair and to dance and sing, and because it takes me here, but the energy is so strong. Was go out and then it's lost.
Yeah. It rejoices in beauty. Love does not bind. Love knows. Love is clear. Love is that which is. Love wants what is, moves what is, and goes along with all life. Love is whole, thereby it heals. Love is truth and honesty between your heart and mine. Love learns, love is light, love grasps but is not grasping. Love is spellbound but does not bind. Love is strong, thus able to give in. Love lets the other win, and in melting moves mountains. Love is.
Wie der Himmel, alles durchdringend wie das Sonnenlicht, fest wie ein Berg, biegsam wie ein Baum im Wind, haben sie keinen Endzweck im Auge und machen sich alles zunutze, was ihnen auf dem Weg begegnet. Nichts ist für sie undurchführbar, weil sie losgelassen haben, können sie für das Wohl des Volkes sorgen, wie eine Mutter für ihr Kind sorgt.